Tag 14. Freunde.
Who are they?
Probably just some kids who live here.
So does everybody act that way?
What do you mean?
Like running around chasing each other, making all that noise?
Well, yeah. If they have hearts, I suppose that's what they do.
Hearts.
Come on, let's get some ice cream.
Why?
Why? Well, because we're friends.
Friends.
Friends eat ice cream together and talk and laugh about the stupidest things. Like those kids we just saw. Come on, let's go. Hey, Roxas. After your next mission, let's meet up for ice cream again. No fun just going back and forth between the castle and work, right?
Yeah, right. We're friends, huh?
Tag 15. Missionen. Roxas führte seine Missionen aus, ohne weiter darüber nachzudenken. Und er war ziemlich fleißig. Tag 22. Zurückgelassen.
I'm gonna miss this ice cream thing we do.
Huh?
Gonna be away for a while. Starting tomorrow.
Really?
I can fill you in since we're friends. I'm gonna be at Castle Oblivion.
Castle Oblivion?
The organization's got a second castle in the world between worlds. It's called Castle Oblivion. Got it memorized?
I wish somebody told me these things.
Well, I gotta head back and get ready. Nothing but fun, fun, fun.
Tag 23. Stiller Gefährte.
Axel, I have a message from Lord Zemnis. Among the members assigned to Castle Oblivion, there are traitors. Find them and dispose of them.
I trust that really came from Lord Zemnis himself.
Hey, Axel?
If you're looking for Axel, he's gone.
What do I do with this?
Roxas erhielt den Befehl, zusammen mit Xion eine Mission auszuführen. Xion sprach während der gesamten Mission kein einziges Wort. Und ihr Gesicht blieb die ganze Zeit unter Kapuze verborgen. Tag 24, das Ende der Stille.
This place is so much nicer, without the loudmouths.
Loudmouths?
Those bossy coworkers sent to Castle Oblivion.
Well, I suppose it's too bad you and Poppet didn't get to spend a little more quality time with them.
Poppet?
I'm talking about Xion, kiddo.
Kiddo?
Roxas, get to work.
I've got someplace to be again today. so go on ahead without me.
Roxas.
Huh? Xion?
Roxas is your name.
Yeah. Roxas. Huh.
Tag 25. 2 Schlüssel.
Roxas. Best of luck today.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Wow, Xion, I didn't know you could use the Keyblade.
You know? Neither did I.
You earned the icing on the cake.
Huh?
Come on, I'll show you.
This is such a great spot. How'd you find it?
Here you go. Sea salt ice cream. Come on, try it.
It's sweet. And salty.
It's good, right? Axel and I, we meet here for ice cream after work. This flavor is Axel's favorite.
Sounds like it's yours, too.
Yeah. Axel brought me here to eat ice cream on my first day with the organization. And then, after my first mission, he got me ice cream again, said it was icing on the cake.
Like you just did for me.
Yeah.
You guys must be really close.
Well, Axel and I are friends.
Friends. Do you think that I could be a friend?
When Axel gets back, we'll all have ice cream together.
Okay.
Tag 26. Vernichtet.
Is it true then, about Castle Oblivion?
That's none of your concern.
And Axel?
Gone. He may have disappeared for good.
What? Hey, what happens when Heartless are destroyed?
The hearts remain. And then, those hearts gather together to form the great Kingdom Hearts.
Then, can you tell me what remains if a nobody is destroyed?
What's there to leave behind? We're not even supposed to be in the first place.
And the members at Castle Oblivion, where'd they go?
Nothing's left of them.
In which case, I'll never see them again?
That's right. You coming?
Huh? Oh, yeah. What's happening?
Tag 27. Der dunkle Rand.
I've been to see him. He looks a lot like you.
Who are you?
I'm what's left. Or maybe Maybe I'm all there ever was.
I meant your name.
My name is of no importance. What about you? Do you remember your true name?
My true name is...
You have been with us for 6 days now. The time has come. Will he wake from this?
I am told Roxas will return, provided the hero is stripped of all his memories.
Then I suppose much hinges on Castle Oblivion.
Xion has gained power over the Keyblade, just as we intended. She can fill Roxas's shoes for the time being.
Tag 49. Schlaf.
I went to a new world today, Roxas. I couldn't believe how beautiful it was. I hope that you can join me next time. Well, I'll see you tomorrow, Roxas.
Tag 50. Ein bekanntes Geräusch.
I knew that I'd find you snoozing down here.
Roxas?
Xion. What happened to me?
You were sleeping for a long time. Sayak said there was no telling when you might wake up. But I'm glad you did.
I kind of feel like a zombie, though.
I brought you this.
Huh?
It's a seashell. I've been picking one up on every mission. Hold it up to your ear.
Tag 51. Verlassen. Okay, jetzt mal ganz kurz, nur damit wir mal ein bisschen das Ganze auch mal ein bisschen sacken lassen können, weil es geht momentan gerade sehr, sehr schnell voran hier. Roxas ist irgendwie mit Soa verbunden oder hat Soas Erinnerungen und diese Xion, die sieht Kyrie und Namen nicht zum Westen ähnlich. Aber alle 3 haben unterschiedliche Haarfarbe, okay. Aber es scheint doch so, als wäre Xion mit Kaiju irgendwie verbunden. Aber irgendwie auch mit... Der Namine auch mit Kaiju. Es ist alles momentan so verwirrend. Sehr, sehr verwirrend noch. Der Verbleib der Mitglieder, die zum Schloss des Entfallens entsandt worden waren, war weiterhin unklar. Roxas wurde allein auf eine Mission geschickt. Ja, allein. Allein. Tag 52. Einsamkeit. Roxas führte seine täglichen Missionen allein aus. Und dies mit großem Eifer. Auf 2 Bildschirmen. Tag 71. Wiedervereinigung.
Hey, Roxas. It's been a while. What's the matter? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Axel. I heard everyone at Castle Oblivion was annihilated.
Not me. I'm tough.
You had me worried.
Worry? We nobodies don't have the hearts to worry, you know?
I'll go buy us some ice cream.
I gotta check in with the boss. Or he's gonna let me have it.
You haven't reported back yet?
No.
Why'd you come here?
I guess I just needed a little time to sort out my feelings, you know?
I thought you didn't have a heart.
Hey, your ice cream's melting. Eat up.
Oh. You know, I started inviting Xion up here while you were gone.
Xion?
I made her a promise. The 3 of us could have ice cream when you got back. Xion. She's my friend too.
Tag 72. Die Veränderung.
Why didn't you report in?
What? Not even one little word of appreciation?
The only thing I've heard is that Namine has gone missing.
There 1 minute, gone the next. I don't know how she got out.
Did you search every room?
Are you kidding? You know as well as I do that searching through every room there is impossible.
And the chamber? Did you find it?
Come on, I would have told you that much. I gotta hand it to you. About Marluxia being one of the traitors, you knew exactly what was up from the start.
I merely rounded up and sent off the ones who were getting in the way.
Whoa there. Was I one of those you wanted to erase?
Good to see you made it back safe.
I disposed of Xion, by the way. I moved things along just the way you wanted. At least for now. You know, you're more cheerful.
You really think so? I was thinking the same about you.
Yeah, well, I guess. You must have rubbed off on me.
Huh?
Nah, it's thanks to you that we get to sit here again and laugh while having ice cream.
I wonder if Xion's gonna show today.